Good morning, it's Friday morning. It's a bit overcast, a little bit cooler in Perth today. I haven't really taken this over water much. Apparently, if you fly in normal or standard, it doesn't fly over water well because of the sensors coming down or something. However, in manual, you can do what you want because all the sensors are turned off. So I'm going to put it in manual. There's some rocks right out there. I'm not sure how far they are. They probably look closer than they are. It's a little bit windy, it's not too bad, but I think it's an onshore wind. So hopefully, if I go out quite far, it should come back easier. I'm not sure if I'm going to get all that way, whether I'll have enough confidence to go that far. But let's have a fly over the water, see what happens. Hopefully, I don't lose it. Okay, formatting, I'll have a coffee. Okay, let's start recording. Take off in normal. Okay, so we are 200 meters away. 83% battery. I think it's going to get there pretty easy. It's must be as close as it looks. So how are we now? Distance 500 meters. Okay, I guessed around 900 meters. Send it down a little bit. There it is. Okay, we made it. Let's not be too crazy. How much battery we're at? 62% battery. Let's see how we can handle if I turn the other way with the wind. Okay, again, a little bit of decrease in satellites, not satellites, connection. So the orange is coming up. So let's just do one closer flyby if I risk it. Oh, that was not good. See, it broke up there just as I went down to do the closer flyby. We're at 52%, so I don't want to play too much now. Let's do one more closer flyby. Yeah. Okay, I really wanted to go through the middle a bit closer. Okay. Let's go this way. The wind is definitely affecting me here. I'm drifting over to one side. Yeah, that's definitely closer. Okay, I'm 45% battery, so I'm going to start heading back. Stick a new battery on and then try again, so we can go a little bit lower. That was pretty successful in terms of distance. Signal started. Actually, I didn't look. Luckily, I'm recording. Okay, we're at low battery now, 32%. I didn't look at the distance when I got there, but because I am recording in the goggles, then that's going to allow me to check all those numbers and stuff. Okay. was a 6-minute flight to get there and back, and I've still got 22% battery left. Okay, next battery plan is to do the same thing, but go lower to the water and try and make it a little bit more cinematic. if I can do cinematic in manual when I'm still learning. But let's see what happens. Let's try again. Manual, normal off. Right, a bit faster angle. Why am I not getting a good signal? Okay, I'm going to head up a little bit higher. Okay, that's better. I'm not sure what happened there. So I started to lose signal and I was only halfway out. Maybe I went too fast out before the drone sorted itself out. Still being really cautious, obviously. See if we can go a little bit slower. Oh, we're breaking up, we're breaking up. Okay, one more, like, where are we? I would love to be able to try and circle around it, but with the way that's... Okay, that's me, I'm coming home. I think there as well, because, I mean, it's not that windy, but if there's a rock there, obviously it's going to shelter you a little bit, some places, from the wind, and then the wind will kick back in again with my manual ability at the moment. See if we can get closer to the water without pooping my pants. Low battery, return to home. Okay, let's just give you guys a bit of a view of where I am. So Perth is that way. I don't think you can see it today. Some days if it's clear you can see Perth City. So there, I live over there, and that way is going north. Obviously Western Australia. Not so beautiful today because of the clouds. Oh, we're down. Motor's stopped. I wonder if we can take off again. Motor's starting. Yeah, it's gonna let me. Saved. No, 19%. Okay, we got one last battery. Let's stay closer because I pooped my pants a little bit on that last one. So let's fly up and down the sand dunes a little bit. chances you'll see a kangaroo at the back here. I don't think they come that close to the beach, but they're definitely in the dunes at the back. Signal. So the range seems quite good on the signal and less on blocked. If I'm blocked, like these dunes are blocking me here, I'm sure if I went and stood at the top it would be much better. But I'm definitely getting like a red bar there. A little looky. Oh yeah, like red bar again. Up. All right, I'm saying that's successful. It was a bit dodgy out there. We definitely saw that red bar quite a bit in terms of the reception signal between the goggles and the drone, I'm assuming. Or I don't know whether it's between this and this. I'm not sure how that all works together. Does this talk to this and this, the drone talk to this? Or does this talk to this and then this is just giving me the picture? So if I lost the picture, would I still be able to fly the drone back? That's all stuff I don't know, and I probably should know. So if you know, let me know. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Let me know if you have any suggestions, recommendations, advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.